Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox controller double input on Steam using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken button signals on your current setup session so your controller clicks register normally without skipping rows. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your setup categories, because you need to fix your device rules at the root level before your software can stop repeating your button taps. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep listening to two different background controller tools at the exact same time, which causes the double-clicking glitch. Step 2. Navigate to the main controller option row. Next, you need to slide down the category list to open up the specialized management board where the computer memory card holds your hardware rules. Move your cursor to the menu bar on the left side of the open window, scroll down near the bottom of the list, find the category labeled Controller, and click on it once. Look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows to see a fresh list of toggle switches, device names, and controller layout options show up clearly, because it isolates your hardware configuration settings from your chat or download options. By opening this specific preference board, you tell the program engine to focus entirely on your plugged-in tools. It ensures you can check your button layouts and view your active communication lanes in a simple, straight format. Step 3. Turn on the Xbox configuration support switch. Now you need to tell the software to take full control of your specific handheld pad so that the outside computer window stops sending a second separate button signal. Look at the middle options list, find the line that mentions Xbox controller support or enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, and click the toggle switch right next to it to turn it on. Watch the toggle switch slide over or fill with color, confirming that your dedicated software safety layout is wide awake. Because double input happens when your main computer operating system and your game app are both trying to read your controller clicks simultaneously. By turning this master switch on, you force the computer to route everything through one single software lane flat against your background view. It drops the duplicate signal completely and stops the double-clicking mess. And that's it. To fix Xbox controller double input on Steam, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the controller row on the left side menu on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look at the middle choices and turn on the Xbox controller support toggle switch to lock your device to a single signal line. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.